everyone, Attorney Samuel Agalos here. Welcome to another video of mine kung saan magbibigay po ako ng mga tips on how to protect and recover your property. Sa isang radio program ko, someone asked me this question: may karapatan po ba ang aking ex-live-in partner doon sa bahay at lupa na napundar at nabili ko nung ako'y nasa abroad? Hindi po kami kasal. Meron ba siyang karapatang pigilan ako na ibenta yung bahay at lupa ko kung ang deed of sale ay ako lang ang nakalagay na buyer? Mga kapatid, familiar ka ba sa ganitong problema? If yes, makinig po. When a property is bought and registered in the name of one individual, he or she alone holds the ownership of the property. And question, who is an owner? The owner is one who has an independent and general right to control a thing that is particularly in his possession. He has the right to enjoy the property, to dispose the property, and to recover the property. At kung ang deed of sale ay nakapangalan sa iyo lang, ikaw lang ang nagmamay-ari ng lupa. So ano ngayon ang inyong gagawin? Use that deed of sale and transfer the title of the property to your name. Friend, as an owner of the property, you can sell, you can lease, you can give the property to any person without needing anyone's permission, lalo na sa dati mong live-in partner kasi wala po siyang karapatan. Okay? And I hope this is of help. Know your rights, and I am here to help you understand the different issues involving real properties. See you in my next episode. Again, this is Attorney Samuel Agalos. Have a good day, everyone, and to God be all the glory.